Hey everyone, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing great. I'm Anupam Mishra, verified educator on the Unacademy platform, and I make courses for your quant and for your VRC and quant section for your CAT exam. And well, this particular short clip is to tell you about the course on vocabulary and grammar that we are coming up with on this 20th of June. It's a weekend course and 1 p.m. to every Saturday and Sunday, or from 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Right. So guys, I often get queries from learners that, sir, I'm not doing so well in vocabulary. I'm not able to build vocabulary at a faster rate. It's taking a lot of time, and same with grammar, right? And so guys, I've tried to come up with something really special here. I've tried to make this a very interesting course uh, in terms of making it application oriented for grammar and for vocabulary, ensuring that we try to cover almost all of the words that you would normally learn in your general vocab books, like Word Par, Made Easy, and other books, right? So it's going to be a really value adding course. It's going to span across 2 or 3 weeks, and and then we're going to ensure that we cover a lot of grounds in terms of vocabulary and grammar. So much says that after this course, I really don't think that anyone who's attending this course will be in a position where they might have concerns in terms of that I'm not so good with the vocabulary and I'm still having problems with grammar, right? So that's the ambitious target that we are going for. And yeah, it's going to be a great session, and great series of sessions. So I hope to see you there. Okay. If you're not on Unacademy Plus, you can use my code mishra.anupam102 to join Unacademy Plus and be part of these wonderful sessions. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the class. Thank you.